Hello everyone, today I am here to discuss the important reasoning and general intelligence questions, and these questions are going to be important for the upcoming exams, especially for the WBCS. So these questions will be solved here with the short tricks. So for this reason, this is going to be very important video, and this is the part 1 of the video, and I'll be covering some important questions in the part 1, and in the upcoming videos I'll be covering the rest of the questions. So having said that, let us begin the questions. So the first question for today is, which two numbers should be interchanged to make the given equations correct? Okay, so this is the simple equation that has been given here, and here you have to make left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, so in the left hand side what has been given here is some equation. So यहाँ पे कुछ numbers है, you have to change these numbers to make the left hand side equal to right hand side, and the best way to solve this question is using the options. So if you use the option number A, 2 and 5 to be interchanged, okay, so this is 2, here comes 5, and this is 5, here comes 2. So that means now we have to divide 18 by 5. That means 18 divided by 5 will be 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30. Okay, so some decimal number will come, so this will be incorrect. And here in the option number B, if you interchange the 18 and 45, what we will get is that 18 and 45 will be interchanged here, right? So in the place of 18, 45 will come, and in the place of 45, 18 will come. Now here again 18 will be divided by 5, some decimal number will come, this is again rejected. And option C, ठीक है, ऑप्शन सी में आपको 9 किसके साथ रिप्लेस करना है, 3 के साथ रिप्लेस करना है, एंड 3 को 9 के साथ रिप्लेस करना है. ठीक है, नाउ यू राइट द इक्वेशन. व्हाट विल इट बी? 3 + 7 × 5 minus 18 divided by 2 equal to 9 × 4 minus 10 plus 45 divided by 2, right? Here you use the BODMAS, right? BODMAS rule. I hope everyone knows about the BODMAS rule. So first operation that you have to conduct is division. So D, यहाँ पे D है, ठीक है, division, this is division. 2 9s are 18, so 7 5s are 35. डिवीजन के बाद क्या आता है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ठीक है. So 35 + 3 is 38 minus 9 is how much? 29, right? In the other side as well, you divide 45 by 5, ठीक है, it will be 5 9s are 45, and 9 4s are, it will be how much? 36, ठीक है. 36 minus 10 is 26 plus 9 is how much? 35, right? So 29 is not equal to 35. That means C is also incorrect. Now the answer will be D. So this is how you can attempt the answer. Next important question is, in a certain code language, harvest is coded as this. Okay, so these are the numbers how the harvest will be coded, and how will the farmer be coded in that language. Okay, so harvest, let us write the harvest here, HARVEST, and the numbers given are 22, 21, 7, 24, 23 and 10. Okay, so these are the numbers. Now let us write the number values of these alphabets. So H is coded as 8, okay, value of A is 1, R is 18, P is 22, E is 5, okay, S is 19, T is 20. So if you write the number values of these alphabets, you will find that 20 is changing to 22, 19 is changing to 21, 5 is changing to 7, and all these numbers are changing by +2 in crossway manner. ठीक है, similarly 8 is changing to 10, ठीक है, 1 is changing to 3, 18 is changing to 20, and 22 is changing to 24. So in all the numbers +2 change is happening. Similarly, if you write the number which is farmer, ठीक है, so if you write the alphabets of the farmer, FARMER, R is 18, E is 5, M is 13, R is 18 again, A is 1, F is 6. Now you can write in the crossway manner. 18 becomes 20 here, ठीक है, 5 becomes 7 here, 13 becomes 15 here, and 18 again becomes 20 here, and 1 becomes 3, and 6 becomes 8, ठीक है. So the answer is B, ठीक है, so answer is B. And here is some way that you can remember some of the important numbers, like E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20, Y is 25, ठीक है, that is EJOT. So EJOT is the way that you can remember the important numbers. Now moving on to next important question. Next important question is, arrange the following words in order in which they appear in the English dictionary. ठीक है, so English dictionary में ये words कैसे appear करता है वो आपको जानना है. ठीक है, so firstly you will find that all the words have RIG. That means we have to find the next alphabet which is after the G. So after the G there is H in first number, and there is I in the second word, ठीक है, and then there is H in the third word, there is O in the fourth word, there is H again in the fifth word, ठीक है. That means among all these alphabets, what will come first is H, ठीक है. So A F G H I J K L M N O, that means H will come first. That means these three lettered word will come first before these three. So these words are 1, 3 and 5, ठीक है. So among 1, 3, 5, which comes first? Now you have to find that. So among 1, 3, 5, you'll find that right is the common, ठीक है. So right is all there in 1, 3, 5. That means now you'll have to find what is the letter that is next to H, ठीक है. So what is next to H? That is L E T. So among L E T, E comes first. That means righteous comes first, ठीक है. So 3 will come first. Then what will come first? L, ठीक है. L means 1, 3, 1, ठीक है. Then the next letter is T, that means 5, 3, 1, 5. So 3, 1, 5 is in which option? Answer is B, ठीक है. So answer is B. So this type of question can be solved like this. Now moving on to next question. Next question is study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark, ठीक है. So यहाँ पे question mark दिया गया है. Now you'll have to find the pattern. So if you see the pattern, you'll find that 6 into 8, 48, ठीक है. So 48 minus 8 is 40. So this into this minus this is coming to be 40. Again, if you do 21 into 25, you'll find that it is 525, right? 525 minus 25 is how much? 500, ठीक है. So answer is 500 here. Now again, if you multiply 14 by 7, you'll find that 14 7s are 98, ठीक है. So 98 minus 7 is how much? 91. So answer is D, 91, ठीक है. So this type of question is asked. So this type of question can be solved like this. Next important question is select the option that is related to the third word in the same way as the second word in the related the first word, ठीक है. So how is the first word or second word related here? You'll find that disease, when we are diseased we need medicine, and when we are hungry we need food. So this is the easy question. Answer is B, ठीक है. Next important question is select the letter cluster that can replace the question mark in the following series, ठीक है. So यहाँ पे next word क्या आएगा वो आपको find करना है, ठीक है. If you write the first letters and second letters and third letters का जो chronology है, if you write this, you'll find that C H M R, ठीक है, X U R O and BIPW. Here you'll find that there is change of plus 5 and there is change of plus 5 from H to M, and from M to R as well there is change of 5, ठीक है, plus 5. So this is the plus 5 pattern, and in the XURO as well you'll find that there is change of minus 3, ठीक है, UBWX, and you'll find again 3, ठीक है, that is RSTU, and here again you'll find minus 3. And B to D, here you'll find that there is change of plus 7, ठीक है, B C D E F G H I, that means 7, and I to P there is again change of plus 7, plus 7. So यहाँ पे plus 5 minus 3 and plus 7 का pattern दिखाई दे रहा है आपको. Now you'll find that plus 5 is here, you'll again get 5, that means R S T U B W. So next word will be W. So next letter will be W. So you can easily eliminate these two options. So now option can be C and D, ठीक है. And O minus 3, what is O minus 3? It is L, ठीक है. So L, that means WL. WL is there in the both the words C and D. And next word here W2 plus 7, what you will find is D, ठीक है. So D is the next letter here. Again the answer is C. So answer is C here. Next important question is select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way as the numbers in the given set, ठीक है. 269 से 278 हुआ है, 278 से 296 गया है. So the logical pattern you'll find here is 269 plus 9 is how much? 278, right? And if you multiply it plus 9 into 2, 9 into 2, ठीक है, 9 into 2 is how much? 18. So if you add 278 plus 18, you'll find that. And if you go by the options, then you'll find that in the option number D, you'll find that 313 plus 9 is how much? 322, right? 322 plus 18 is how much? 340. So the answer is D. So this type of question can be solved like this. You'll have to find the logical pattern to solve this type of question. Next important question is 12 to 72, 18 question mark, 22 to 42. यहाँ पे भी आपको लॉजिकल पैटर्न फाइंड करना है. So what could be the logical pattern? Logical pattern could be 12 square, that is 144. ठीक है, so 144 divided by 2 is 72. ठीक है, next number is 22 square. If you square the 22, you'll find that it is 484 divided by 2 is 242. Here again 18 square is 324 divided by 2 is 316 is 32, 3 2 is 4, 162. So the answer is A, 162. ठीक है, so this is the pattern here. And next important question is from the syllogism. ठीक है, so syllogism से ये question है. The statements have been given here. So the statement one says that some animals are elephants. Let's say this is the elephants. ठीक है, some elephants are animals. ठीक है, this is animal. And some elephants are tigers. So some elephants are tigers. So this can be one option. ठीक है, one option can be like this. Other option might be some elephants are what? Animals, and some elephants are tigers. ठीक है, some elephants are tigers as well. So that means these two can be the logical option. So if you go by the conclusion, you'll find that some animals are tigers. ठीक है, some animals are tigers. So this is not true, not true. ठीक है, this is not true. But in here you'll find that some animals are tigers. ठीक है, so this is true. So this is not true, this is true. No tiger is an animal, no tiger is an animal. This is true here, but in this case this is not true. ठीक है, no tiger is an animal because some tigers are animals here. So here you will find that in one case it is true, in other case it is untrue, in one case it is untrue, in other case it is true. That means either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. ठीक है, so this type of tricky question can be asked. This type of syllogism question is important to be solved. So moving on to next important question. Two positions of the same dice are shown. Select the number that will be on the face opposite to the one showing 6. ठीक है, आपको फाइंड करना है 6 के अपोजिट नंबर क्या है. Now the trick here is if two numbers are common, then third numbers are opposite. ठीक है, यहाँ पे you'll find that 5 and 3 are common. That means 6 and 1 are opposite. That means the opposite number of 6 is 1. So this is as easy as this. ठीक है, if you know the tricks, you can easily answer this question. And second type of trick is that in some cubes you will not find the two numbers common. So only one number can be common. ठीक है, for instance here you'll find only one number is common. So here what you'll have to do is you'll have to go from the common number to clockwise direction. ठीक है, यहाँ पे clockwise direction में जाना है and you have to write the numbers now. ठीक है, clockwise numbers क्या क्या आ रहा है? 3 4 2. ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे 3 5 6. सो 3 तो कॉमन हो गया. नेक्स्ट नंबर्स आर अपोजिट. 4 का अपोजिट क्या होगा? 5 एंड 2 का अपोजिट 6 होगा. एंड यू विल सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विद दिस ट्रिक. ये ट्रिक आपको याद रखना है. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, सो दीज वर द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस दैट वी सॉल्व्ड इन द पार्ट 1. इन द पार्ट 2 विल बी कवरिंग मोर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. And having said that, I'm concluding this session. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.